Welcome to Mind Lift Stories. Today we are talking about Swami Vivekananda, the awakener of India. Swami Vivekananda was born as Narendranath Dutt on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata, India. From a young age, he was curious, intelligent, and full of energy. He asked deep questions about life, God, and purpose. He wanted to see God with his own eyes. This desire led him to many saints and scholars, but none could satisfy his questions. Finally, he met Sri Ramakrishna, a mystic saint of Dakshineshwar. Ramakrishna told him, "Yes, I have seen God, just as I see you." This moment changed Narendra's life forever. He accepted Ramakrishna as his guru and began a spiritual journey. After the death of Ramakrishna, Narendra became a monk and took the name Swami Vivekananda. He traveled all over India as a wandering monk. He saw the pain of the poor and suffering of people and the fall of Indian pride. He realized India needed strength, physical, mental, and spiritual. He wanted to serve humanity, especially the poor and downtrodden. In 1893, he went to the Parliament of World Religions in Chicago, USA. He was nervous, unknown, and alone. But when he said, "Sisters and brothers of America," the crowd gave a standing ovation. He spoke of universal brotherhood, tolerance, and unity of all regions. Him. The world listened, admired, and respected him. He became the voice of spiritual India to the West. In the West, he inspired many with his lectures on Vedanta and yoga. He said, "You are the creator of your own destiny. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Became his famous call. He returned to India as a hero and patriot saint. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. The mission served people with education, hospitals, disasters relief, and more. Swami Vivekananda believed that service to man is service to God. He inspired the youth to believe in themselves and in their country. He taught courage, fearlessness, and hard work. Vivekananda wanted to combine the best of East and West, spirituality and science. He believed in equality of religion, caste, and genders. He once said, "All power is within you. You can do anything and everything." He dreamed of a strong, united, and awakened India. He remained humble, simple, and focused on his mission. Even in fame, he never stopped meditating and serving. His words continue to inspire millions even today. We improved that one person can change the world. Despite his poor health, he worked tirelessly. He predicted he would not live past 14. On 4 July 1902, at just 39 years, Swami Vivekananda left his body, but his spirit lives on in every Indian heart. His teachings are part of school books, speeches, and prayers. National Youth Day is celebrated on his birthday, 12 January. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose admired him. He made Indians believe in themselves again. His life is a message to strength, service, and self realization. Swami Vivekananda was not just a monk, he was a revolution of the soul. He taught us to rise above fear and laziness. Let us remember his words. Take up one idea, make that one idea